Hi, this is Candace here. My kids, my girls are unboxing something for their room.
Is this the paint?
Ooh, that's so nice. Ooh.
No, it's a folding chair. It's a folding what?
What is it called? This because I don't, after y'all make your beds, what do you think? What is this to do?
Sit.
So what? After y'all make your beds, what?
You can sit and relax.
Yes, I don't want y'all on your beds with your clothes that y'all been on a daily. How booty.
She got it. You got it, honey? Huh?
How would you? Yeah. I can't just kill you.
No, you can't jump on that, baby. You're supposed to sit in it.
Can somebody open it?
Yeah.
Come on.
Look now. How does this go? Does it go here? Or does it here? No, I'm just gonna put it here.
No, you have to stand it up, honey. Look at my Udi, what's Udi? Look at my cutie.
Let me help. I don't know how to do it.
It's not how you open it.
Like this.
I'll put something on this can't be on top of the floor. I don't know.
Yeah, but for carpet, it's fine, right?
No, for carpet it's fine.
And this, oh, that's not rubber. Is that rubber?
That's plastic. There's no resistance.
Oh, it clicks open?
Yeah.
You go that dress?
Do y'all like
I
your...
got you one.
Yeah, I like it.
I did.
No, yours is supposed to come though. They rescheduled it for, not this one, but your gaming chair.
Huh?
You're getting a gaming chair. And then it's a chair that could go to the desk as well. So y'all have y'all 3 chairs.
You're not facing it too good.
Y'all have y'all 3 chairs. So everybody gets a chair to sit in. I don't want y'all on your beds.
Sitting.
Yeah, and then after Papa, no. Thank you. After Papa paints your room and fix up your room, this is just the first step. Okay?
Yeah. Well, after paint, what's the next step? Posters on.
After you paint, we're gonna do like picture frames and stuff like that. We're gonna do bedding, matching bedding.
No. Paula, didn't you say pink and purple? Didn't you say pink and purple?
Mommy, we're gonna do pink and green.
Mommy? Her.
No, we could do purple.
And I want to do it too.
What? What?
Blue and green for this room.
Oh, it actually matches the right here.
So do y'all like your chairs?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, so you bought this so you don't have to sit on a bed and mess it up.
Yes.
Oh.
I bought this because beds are for sleeping, just like tables are for writing. Beds are for sleeping. Chairs are for sitting. So I bought sitting chairs. Cora, you like your chair? Cora, do you like your chair? Huh?
I think he does.
You know she mean yes. You can push it that way, baby. What are you trying to do?
So I got these chairs from Walmart.
Walmart.
I
Walmart.
got these chairs from Walmart. I ordered them yesterday, and then they ended up coming today. And these chairs were $20, and I was ordering them regular chairs, and Mother was like, "No, they need nice chairs." So I ordered these chairs, but they could fold and go in the closet. That's what I want when they're not using them. And then my mom was like, "Oh, you should have bought different colors."
I'm gonna get it. Hold on.
And I said, "Mom, they fight." I was like, if I would have bought different,
Yeah.
they would have been arguing and fighting over the pink. I said I would have loved to mix it up with, but blue, purple.
It's not no fighting. You're talking about her. She gonna want what she wants.
Noah, can you close the chair to see if it's easy to close?
Close my over here.
Okay.
Right here. I'm probably closing it from the outside.
Don't break it. Just leave it. Jungha, come over here with his room. Grab the chair and bring it to Wiz' room.
I love it. Can somebody open it? Can somebody open it? Can somebody?
Jungha, where you going? Over there. Can you come over here, please? Yes, this space right here. Noah, I need you to take all the boxes and put them in the garage, please. Jungha, go try to close the chair now.
Can somebody open it, please? Can somebody open it? Can somebody
Oh,
open
wait.
it?
Wait, Udi.
You turn it over and then.
Because after y'all finish using them, I don't want them to sit down. I mean, I want them to be sitting out. I want you to fold them, put them in the closet when it's time to go to bed. So how do you close it?
So I think you just turned it around and.
Excuse me, Ule.
What's blocking this? I don't know if we take this out.
Can you open these chips for her?
So.
Haha. Can you open the chips for her?
Thank you.
Ismaila? Can you come show her how to, I want to,
This goes out. I see that.
what is that piece?
Nothing. I don't know what this
Let me see, bring the chair.
is.
Let me see, stop. Let it go.
What happened?
Because I want these chairs to be folded when they're not using them. When it's time for bed.
Right, but it's just this way.
How do you fold it? Oh, so what do you do?
You just press the thing. You lock it. Hold on, Grandma. You
This
see
is-
this?
These are levers.
Yeah, this right here.
Oh, and you push it in?
Yeah, and you just.
Oh, okay.
I will try.
Go. I need to see if you could, I need to record it.
To close it?
Open it. Open it. Turn it over. Isn't it? I'm supposed to see. You didn't open it. You didn't open it. You have to open it so you hear it click. You hear? What, man? You don't want those cookies?
No, you see me just take that out the cabinet.
No, he said. I said him.
Oh,
Pick up the plastic, please.
Okay, so this is what it is. This is what it looks like. Fold it. Yep. You want to fold it?
You have to do it to where I can see you. 'Cause I can't really.
Did you do this?
Let me see.
No. That's who's supposed to. Cora, how do I do this? How do I pull it up?
Push it down. I believe. See? Oh, easy breezy. Now pick it up. And then that's how y'all gonna put it in your closet. Is it easy for you?
Yeah. Once you see it going down, just down a little bit, you just push it down a little bit.
Huh?
When you see it down, when you press these things, now you see it push it down. I know how to do it. When it's down a lot, you just push it down with your hands. It's easy peasy.
It's easy? Okay, so open it and let Noah try. Even though Noah, your chair is not going to fold.
Is it gonna be like those spinny chairs?
Mm-hmm.
Is it the one that has those? Is that the kind of gaming chair that has the controls on the sides and stuff?
No.
Here you go. What kind of gaming chair is it? Noah.
I don't know. We'll see when it comes.
Noah.
It's a gaming chair and a desk chair. Because you're going to be sitting with your homework too.
If he needs help, can I show him?
You could show him. Nope. Show him what to do, huh? Nope. No. Show him. Wait. Hello. No. Oh, you showing him.
You see, you need to do it right here. You click it, and then do this, and then once it's down, you just push it over like this. Oh, like that.
So you open it until you hear a click.
See this? Right here?
No, you didn't even close it.
I didn't close it.
You have to open it. She already closed it. Open it and then so you hear a click.
Okay, so is this wrong way? Okay. So just do this. Oh, yeah. So you just turn it over and then just.
Cora, you like this here? You like this here, baby? No? You like this here? Open it to hit click. Okay.
See that?
Now know what you close it. Wait, go over there so I can see. How does it feel? It feel like a little levery? No, you're supposed to push it and pull it down, you know?
At the same time?
Push it.
Yes.
Push it in and push them down. And shut it. Use
your tummy.
Use your body to push this down.
Oh my god. Oh, no. Keep on doing it.
You got it?
That was so difficult for him. He's like, oh my god. Ow! Sorry. And then do
Young, I let him do it.
I'll open it.
You gotta open it until you hear click. So
Click.
forth. Nope. You have to listen to me.
I'm listening. Now turn it
That's
on.
how you know it's secure. And you're not gonna sit on it for. You sit on it. Even though it's not touchy yet.
It's cold, but it's comfy.
It's comfy. Okay.
But doing it,
Huh?
keep on just putting it on.
No. What's wrong with you? Why you crying?
Look at my
What happened to you, Cora?
Papa.
Yeah, so I purchased these chairs for them because
Oh.
see this upstairs is gonna be carpet. So it's not gonna really tip and slip like this. And then she's little, so her body weight kind of makes it. This is the tag on it. It says, take the tag off and show y'all what it is. This is American Kids saucer chair. Oh, that's what they call them, saucer chairs? The saucer chair. Yeah. So, yeah. So I bought these from Walmart for $20. I don't know. It's just something about sitting on.
That was $20?
Yeah. It's just something about sitting on chairs. I mean, sitting on your bed with your clothes that you've been
So
out.
you spent $22? How much was it?
What did I say? Did you hear me? I said 20 on each chair. So all the chairs they cost $60. That's no, 20 times 3 is how much?
Oh, 60.
$60. So it was $60 for all 3 chairs.
If there was 4 of them, that would be.
How much would 4 be?
That would be 40. No, if there was 2 of them, that would be 40.
Yes, if there were 2 of them, that would be 40.
Wait, if these cost $10, it would be 100. Because 10 times 10 is 100.
So, yeah. So this is, we put the TV on the wall. That was part 1. Then we do the decorations and put it all together. Yeah. So we're going to paint and we're going to bring y'all along the journey. Thanks for watching. Bye.